Good early Friday morning, meteorologist Dean Davison for the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com, as well as Responding Fire. We're going to take a look at what's going on here over the next few days. We're going to see a major storm head across the Midwest and into the upper Northeast. We're going to show you what could happen to change and get some snow into the Delaware Valley. And we also show you future storms further down the line that look to actually make things a little bit nicer in the aspect if you like snow. So right now we have leftovers of what's going on here. Across the East Coast, Delaware Valley, we'll get closer rain on here soon, but this is disturbed weather move towards Connecticut and parts of lower Massachusetts tomorrow morning. I'm not expecting a whole lot, and that'll move out. We'll have another storm coming in from here, moving across, and you'll see how that starts to become impactful, specifically as it comes across the area of Oklahoma. You see the snow starts up here towards the Minneapolis area, towards your areas such as Rochester, back here across the Dakotas. This storm then moves into Iowa, even parts of Chicago as we head into Saturday, and St. Louis, and a good part of the area on Missouri and Illinois, Decatur, being in there. It's going to be real close to Indianapolis, parts of Detroit, and then it moves across to parts of Ohio into Erie and New York. As cooler air gets in there, you're going to see a definite snow across the area of Indianapolis. Cincinnati's going to be close, and then we're going to have this potential snow start in northern Jersey, and then turn to rain, then back to snow. Parts of the Poconos. It starts off as rain mainly here. In southern Jersey, see it turns over to rain in most locations up through Jersey. The snow is mainly back here in west central Pennsylvania, parts of New York, Massachusetts, Connecticut. Those areas look like they're going to get inundated with snow. And then on the back end, you may see a little light snow here in the areas of Massachusetts down to Jersey, light snow in Jersey, heaviest snow up here, Connecticut, Massachusetts, freezing rain will be involved. A big sloppy mess. But what that's going to also cause, when I show you closer maps, is a flash freeze for places like Roanoke and the 81 corridor, where temperatures will go from the 40s down to the 20s within like 2 hours. And that's going to cause probably major issues on the roads. We'll continue going along. 22nd, we see a low pressure coming across. Snow up here in the areas such as Minneapolis and Rochester, come across towards Detroit and Chicago. And what you're going to see here is another low pressure develop. Here's a high pressure, another low pressure will develop. What you're seeing is rain to snow, and what's going to happen is that next low pressure develops here along the coast is going to move up and nor'easter itself. What that's going to allow it to do is cause heavy snowfall throughout Roanoke in that area around the 24th, 23rd and the 24th. And then Jersey, and as you see, this thing moves up because it is a nor'easter into Massachusetts and areas like that. That's number one. Then we will continue to move towards February, where our next interesting storm looks to occur. As we get cold air sunk in for the 30th, another storm comes dropping down, and what we're going to do is get another low pressure started up, and that's going to cause more snow here on the East Coast. So then that'll move out, and we'll stay in a very cold pattern, which with any energy will cause snowstorms. So we're going to have areas that'll continuously have that issue over the next while. So we're going to get a very active pattern here with multiple chances of snowstorms here in the East Coast. Like I said, I want to move in closer detail here in the Northeast, and you see, like I said, this storm moves away. Not much snow in the Northeast. It's really not going to be that bad with the snow tonight. Maybe some slick travel, but it's really not terrible when it comes to it. It's just amazing. It amazes me. And a lot of this is going to take time to load up. But just remember what I said. We're going to get that low pressure system become much more involved, and that will likely lead to multiple snowstorms by the time we get into in a couple, like I said, the 24th and that time frame. That's still a little early. Maybe back it up and see if I can get this. What did I put? Trying to back it up just enough to show you what's going to happen with that weather on that first potential major system that would occur. So I have to back it up a little bit. There we go. A purebred nor'easter would occur 24th into 25th. You see Roanoke's involved, Blacksburg, areas like that, some freezing rain further to the east. I mean, it's going to change a little bit. I would expect probably maybe more heavy snow, maybe a little more inflection of ice. One of the two situations, but I believe that we will continue on this. This is only going to strengthen, I think, into a worse storm with the low pressure located off of the Carolina coast. That being said, I will push a little further forward and look at what could happen with your snowfall. And like I said, we're going to mainly look at like the southern part of that because most of the places in the southern part are not going to get the snow prior to this occurring. So you're going to be able to, for the first storm, to get a pretty accurate idea what they're saying, up to 10 inches of snow with that first storm. You take an inch off, 9 inches. Like I said, we got a ways to go here, but just an idea what could happen in about a week's time. So we'll keep an eye on it, and we'll keep you updated here at the Weather Pros and Live Weather Blogs and Responding Fire. For those locations, that's meteorologist Dean Davison. Thanks for watching.